InTech O-V-R. The InTech O-V-R is more than just a travel trailer. It's an adventure machine that lets you explore the world with comfort and style. Whether you want to camp in the wilderness, visit a national park, or drive across the country, O-V-R can handle any terrain and any challenge. O-V-R is built with a durable all-aluminum frame and cage, a spacious interior, and a versatile exterior. You can choose from 3 different models, each with its own features and options. You can also customize your O-V-R with a slide-out kitchen, a drop-down bunk bed, an off-grid package, and more. With O-V-R, you can enjoy the best of both worlds, the thrill of off-road adventure and the luxury of home away from home. So what are you waiting for? Start your journey today with O-V-R, the ultimate adventure RV. (2024) Newar London Aire. The 2024 Newar London Aire is more than just a luxury motor coach. It's a masterpiece of engineering, design, and comfort. It's a home away from home, where you can enjoy the freedom of the open road with the amenities of a 5-star hotel. The London Aire features a 600 horsepower engine, a spacious living area, a king-size bed, a full-sized refrigerator, and a washer and dryer. It also has a state-of-the-art entertainment system, a fireplace, and a heated tile floor. You can choose from 4 different floor plans, each with its own unique style and layout. The London Aire is not just a vehicle, it's an experience. It's where you can relax, unwind, and explore new places. It's where you can make memories that will last a lifetime. The London Aire is the ultimate expression of luxury and elegance on wheels. SLRV expedition vehicles. Isuzu FTS 800. The SLRV expedition vehicles. Isuzu FTS 800 is a rugged and reliable 4x4 motorhome that can take you to places most other vehicles can't. It's a home on wheels where you can enjoy the comfort and convenience of a spacious living area, a fully equipped kitchen, a separate ensuite, and a cozy electric bed. It also has a rear garage to store your gear and an optional rooftop tent for extra guests. The FTS 800 is powered by a 600 horsepower engine that can handle any terrain. It also has a world-class electrical system that allows you to stay off-grid for longer. You can choose from 4 different floor plans, each with its own style and layout. The FTS 800 is not just a motorhome, it's an adventure. It's where you can explore new horizons, discover new cultures, and experience nature at its best. The FTS 800 is the ultimate choice for the off-road traveler. Bruder EXP-7. The Bruder EXP-7 is a cutting-edge camper trailer that combines innovation, durability, and luxury. It's a home on wheels where you can enjoy the comfort and convenience of a spacious living area, a fully equipped kitchen, a separate ensuite, and a cozy electric bed. It also has a rear garage to store your gear and an optional rooftop tent for extra guests. The EXP7 is powered by a 600 horsepower engine that can handle any terrain. It also has a world-class electrical system that allows you to stay off-grid for longer. You can choose from 4 different floor plans, each with its own style and layout. The EXP7 is not just a camper trailer, it's an adventure. It's where you can explore new horizons, discover new cultures, and experience nature at its best. The EXP7 is the ultimate choice for the off-road traveler. Alkoven 1200. The Alkoven 1200 is a dream come true for anyone who loves traveling in style and comfort. It's a magnificent motorhome that can accommodate up to 6 people and a car in its spacious interior. It's built on a Mercedes-Benz Actros chassis with a powerful 600 horsepower engine and a smooth automatic transmission. The Alkoven 1200 has everything you need to feel at home on the road. It has a large living area with a slide-out lounge, a fireplace, and a 32-inch flat TV. It has a fully equipped kitchen with a refrigerator, a dishwasher, and a steam cooker. It has a separate ensuite with a shower, a toilet, and a washing machine. It has a cozy bedroom with a king-size bed and another TV. But the most amazing feature of the Alkoven 1200 is its rear garage, where you can park your car and take it with you wherever you go. You can choose from different car models, such as a sports car, an old-timer, or even a quad bike. VW Crafter Luxury Campervan. The VW Crafter Luxury Campervan is more than just a vehicle. It's a home on wheels, a mobile oasis, a dream come true. Whether you want to explore the wilderness, visit the city, or just relax in comfort, the VW Crafter Luxury Campervan has everything you need. The spacious interior features a fully equipped kitchen, a comfortable sleeping area, and plenty of storage space. You can also enjoy modern technology, such as a pop-up roof, solar panel kits, and an electric awning. The VW Crafter Luxury Campervan is designed with the driver in mind, offering easy-to-use controls, comfortable seats, and excellent performance. The VW Crafter Luxury Campervan is the perfect choice for anyone who loves adventure and freedom. It combines the spirit of the Combi with the Australian RV experience of Jayco. It's not just a campervan, it's a lifestyle. Tesla CyberTruck. The CyberTruck looks unique and futuristic with its sharp angles. It looks different from regular pickup trucks because of its stainless steel exoskeleton and armored glass windows. Tesla has stated that the CyberTruck will be available in a variety of configurations, including with 1 motor, 2 motors, or 3 motors. The tri-motor type is anticipated to be the most potent and swift, able to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in less than 2.9 seconds. However, the other variants all promise impressive performance. According to Tesla, the CyberTruck's electric range will be astounding, with certain variants able to travel over 500 miles on a single charge. It is anticipated that the CyberTruck's cabin will be sleek and technologically advanced, with a central touchscreen display used to operate the vehicle's many features. Mercedes Sprinter Delano. The Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis is the foundation for the 2023 Delano 24RW, a Class C motorhome. It's a great option for campers who want a compact motorhome but don't want to sacrifice any of the conveniences found in larger RVs. The Delano 24RW's large cabin, which includes a single slide-out, can accommodate up to 5 people. It has a queen-size bed in the rear bedroom, a dinette that converts into a sofa, and a bunk bed in the cab. There is a microwave, stove, and refrigerator in the kitchen. There is a basin, a toilet, and a shower in the bathroom. A 3.0 LV6 turbo diesel engine provides power for the Delano 24RW, allowing it to generate 188 GP and 325 lb-ft of torque. It uses an automatic transmission with 7 gears. The RV can tow up to 15,250 pounds and can hold up to 4,220 pounds of stuff. Winnebago Forza. Class A motorhomes like the Winnebago Forza are the pinnacle of luxury and convenience. The Forza is a great choice for couples, families, and large groups of friends who want to hit the open road in comfort and style. Powered by a Cummins ISB6 7L turbocharged diesel engine, the Forza is constructed on a Freightliner XCS chassis. Anti-lock brakes, traction control, and stability control are just a few of the basic safety measures. The Forza's interior is equally as striking as its exterior. A huge sofa, theater seats, and a flat-screen TV fill the roomy living space. There is a queen-sized bed and lots of closet space in the bedroom, and the kitchen comes with everything you need to cook meals on the road. Additional comfort and convenience are provided with the Forza's standard central vacuum system, washer, dryer, and fireplace. Becker Mercedes-Benz Jetvan. The Becker Mercedes-Benz Sprinter. Jetvan is the pinnacle of mobile luxury and comfort. The already amazing Mercedes-Benz Sprinter is further enhanced by this astonishing adaptation, making for a comfortable and adaptable mode of transportation. The Jetvan's cabin is a showcase of lavish design. The plush leather couches, handcrafted wood accents, and soft lighting all contribute to an atmosphere that is on par with the finest hotel suites. There's plenty of room for everyone to spread out and relax in the airy cabin. State-of-the-art audiovisual equipment provide a wide variety of entertainment alternatives, from flat-screen TVs and a quality sound system to a mobile office setup for individuals who need to work on the go. The finer points of this adaptation are also given careful consideration, with high-quality materials used all through and adaptable features made available to fit individual tastes. The Starliner SL25. Based on the Iveco daily chassis, the Starliner SL25 is a high-end recreational vehicle. It has a large cabin, luxurious fittings, and excellent off-road capability. The SL25 can haul up to 2 tons of cargo despite its 7.5-ton gross vehicle weight rating. A 3.0L turbo diesel engine provides the vehicle's motivation, resulting in 180 GP and 430 lb-ft of torque. The RV has a full-time 4-wheel drive system with locking differentials and a 6-speed automatic transmission. The SL25 can accommodate as many as 6 people inside its roomy cabin. It has 2 pop-top bunk beds, a dinette that converts into a bed, and a queen-sized bed in the rear bedroom. There is a microwave, stove, and refrigerator in the kitchen. There is a basin, a toilet, and a shower in the bathroom. Marathon Coach 1363. The 2024 H345 double slide in Marathon Coach 1363 is loaded to the gills with amenities selected by the current owners. The bespoke bus stands out against the grey Pacific Northwest sky because to its textured, dark neutral tones and tinge of blue. All the dark nooks and crannies have been lighted up with the help of soft accent lighting and LED panels. On chilly days, a fire in the fireplace is the perfect companion while you curl up with a blanket and a hot beverage. It has a large refrigerator, a large pantry hidden behind an illuminated art door, a camouflage dishwasher, a covered stove, and a wine cooler, making it feel like a really unique kitchen. Both water closets' backsplashes are textured with rough-cut tile, while the spacious shower's smooth walls are protected by a special sliding door and an illuminated panel. With 2 spacious closets and a full-length mirror on one of them, you may bring all your clothes on your next trip without worrying about them creasing. Dembell Motorhome. The Dembell Motorhome is a small and flexible RV that provides a comfortable and convenient means of exploring the outdoors. The Dembell Motorhome is a great choice for everyone, from couples to families who want to hit the open road. You may find everything you need for a pleasant trip inside. The motorhome has a comfortable bedroom, a handy kitchenette, and a sanitary bathroom. There is also plenty of room to keep your equipment and supplies safe and secure. The Dembell recreational vehicle is both environmentally friendly and economical because to its well-thought-out design. This motorhome is a great option for anyone looking to take a vacation, be it a short weekend excursion or a cross-country adventure, in comfort and convenience. In conclusion, The Dembell Motorhome is an RV that provides a comfortable and efficient method to travel despite its small size and adaptability. It's a moving work of art with a compact design and plenty of amenities to keep you comfortable on the road.